move to this side.
Is that good?
Starting. Wait, I should move this so I can see ourselves.
Well, how do I even move this to the side so it's not hard?
Hey guys! Hopefully that doesn't fall. So, I'm here with my friend, and you know, the coronavirus, so we got our masks, you gotta be safe. But I think we're both gonna build computers today, because, I don't know, this man was a loser laptop gamer, which, you know, no offense, but not good. And this is better price to performance, so you know, that's better. So, we'll let this man unbox his stuff. Should we move this so you can actually see it?
No, I don't want them to see me.
What do you want to open first?
You?
Yeah,
Wow. I don't know.
Is this the motherboard? Yeah, oh, it's B550.
Yeah.
Next thing.
I'm not
You're not that
No, I'm not really.
Yeah. Alright, so obviously both went Ryzen, yeah.
Oh yeah. I was right.
Yeah, oh, the LPX Vengeance, this is, a lot of people go with this. This is pretty good. I think it's 3600 megahertz speed time. That's good.
Yeah.
And then we got the SP, is this 250? Oh, it's 512.
Yeah, I got 512.
These are pretty good SSDs. Next thing.
How?
Is there like a compass or something?
It doesn't work. Look at that. Pretty good compass.
Oh, power supply, okay.
Wow, power.
EVGA. Oh, mine's not EVGA, mine's thermal tape.
Wow.
You want to pop? Alright, is this 600 watt? I think
It is.
Yeah. Oh, and it's bronze, so I mean, that's good.
Oh.
You just ruined the box.
No, I didn't. I can flex seal it.
Alright, you do that.
I will.
Oh wait, we forgot the most important thing. Cooler Master Master
Box.
We gotta open that first. I'm a little scared.
Promote safety here.
Okay, here, I'll hold it for you. Alright, so this is the Cooler Master Box. It's like a cheap budget case that looks pretty nice. It's micro ATX, so it's still small, but yeah, we can start building.
And filming?
That is correct. And there's just random stuff in here. The Wi-Fi thingies you don't need.
What do you mean?
You don't need that.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You don't need the drivers.
Close up?
Yeah, we can do that.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow. All right.
Saying wow.
Oh, that's rad. Piece of foam. We'll do first. So I'll show you how to put the CPU in. Oh yeah, yeah. Can't touch the thermal paste. Open this up.
Fine.
You know, we'll do a little close up for this. Oh well, I missed that. I missed that. Well, this man just dropped the CPU, so that's pretty nice. Pull it like forward and then lift it up. So do that. All right, there you go. So now you can take the CPU, and then do you see like a gold like corner? Match that up with that arrow right there.
With this?
Yeah. And then you can plop it down.
So
And it should fit if
like
that's
that?
it.
Yeah, it kind of fits in.
Does
like
it
that.
fit? There's no jiggle. I think that's it. Is it? Oh wait, no. No, that's not it.
This is really reassuring.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah, right there. And then that should be the spot. It felt like it.
I don't know.
Oh, some of the pins are a little bent.
Oh.
Is it because you dropped it?
I dropped it on the other side, right?
It's like up here a little broken, or not broken, but they're bent slightly. So I don't know if it came like that or.
It probably came like that because you haven't done anything with it until.
Are you sure about that?
This is like very bent.
Fixing it with a knife.
I mean, it'll just get in there. Can't really fit. Okay, that should be good enough. All right, we'll be back when we figure this out.
Because all the other sides fit in fine.
All right, it went in, so.
Okay, alright.
All right,
You know
so
what?
we'll see. One of the pins actually broke off. I pushed this piece
Oh,
in
I
there.
see, yeah.
And it should be fine. I wish I got that on film of you dropping it. All right, we're gonna put this back on. It should be fine.
A screw. It's like Dracula from, you know,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Elmo. That's what I was trying to say.
Oh yeah.
Elmo's Number Adventure.
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite game.
Well, what's that game where it was like the crabs or whatever? And that was like the currency, like crabs, and then you wanted to go to this island. Did you ever? And it was like math problems or something. Did you ever play that game?
Oh, reflex math. There was a crab that was like, you know.
Sure, I know.
It was like math games, like puzzles, and
Yeah. All right.
you develop by doing math problems. I don't know if that's what you're talking about.
It's possible.
That game haunted my childhood.
I'm a master box.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Just so it grabs.
Yeah, I did a lot of. Did I do
Maybe
too much?
unscrew it a little bit more. Yeah.
Is it supposed to make that sound?
Yeah. You want dual channel RAM. You don't want to just put them right next to each other. So, I'm guessing I need dual channel RAM. It just means that it can use the RAM correct stuff.
Oh.
Here, I got this. Getting a phone call from Zach. Hey, Chunky. Wait, we'll put him on speaker.
Hey, Chunky.
What's up, Chunky?
Oh, hey, thanks, Sam.
Hey. We're recording now. We're making my computer.
Nice. That's so bad.
Yeah, were you gonna ask me to be a gamer?
Yeah, you know what I'm gonna ask, so.
Yeah, I know. Well, obviously
Phasmophobia?
I can't because I'm helping Sammy.
Well, I'm saying later. I know you're helping Sam.
Yeah, later then we can all play.
Siege and GTA downloaded.
Yeah, right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave you. Love you, Zunky. Say it
Love
back.
you.
Say it back. There you go. Good job.
Okay, so why?
Because we'll take it off later. Because you don't want to scratch it. Do you not? You can move it closer to you.
No.
No. Not gonna do that.
Alright, cool. We got a nice desiccant silica gel. Do not
should eat it.
throw away.
You can eat it. Do not throw it away.
It says do not eat, throw away.
You should eat it.
What is the point of this?
It keeps things fresh, I guess. I don't know. Or it keeps the moisture out. That's what it does. Don't open it.
Why not?
All right. I guess I gotta call my Memmy. That is not. What did your pets eat that?
What?
It like fell everywhere. You know what you're doing?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Wait,
Alright,
do all of them have?
Yeah, I think all of them have it. Okay, you can do the rest. And I will open the power supply for you. Are you having fun?
Tons. I tried this screw over here.
There we go. Or, no, it just has like a weird smell. go there.
Yeah, because if it's not supposed to be this, then...
Maybe if you have like a different motherboard, it fits in differently. This is so hard to take out. Is your like sister home or something? Because the Juke is here.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, right. Because I was like, oh, I remember that vehicle. Do you love the Juke?
No, I hate it.
What makes it all right? Would you want it as a vehicle?
What I wanted is a vehicle as a 17-year-old without a vehicle? Yeah, sure.
Sick.
What I wanted is a vehicle
Is that
as somebody
that looks in,
like who had money and could get a different car? No. Do you love the Juke?
It's kind of cool because it has the same inner doors as the R35, like GTR. It has the same door handle thingies.
Because of the door handle?
All right, so now we have everything plugged in. Hopefully that is plugged in right. Now I think we can just put in the SSD, and then the last thing to do is put in the graphics card, and then we're pretty much done.
The what?
The SATA cable, SATA. I don't know. We want right angle, right? You want right angle?
As opposed to...
180?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think 90 degrees. Oh, you know what? Right angle's bad. Wanna go in? Maybe we'll just let it hang, hang loose. Because we don't have the right screws.
Flex seal.
I mean, yeah, you could put a piece of tape there. Do you want it? Oh. We got tape. I just feel like you shouldn't have made it that long.
It's okay, I'll wrap it back up.
Yeah. Use a bit of duct tape, you know, because it's fine. It doesn't really matter.
Wrap it back on there.
Hopefully that's... I wonder if it'll stay.
Oh yeah.
This is kind of old duct tape. Stick this on here. It'll be fine. No vibrations because it's not mechanical, so it doesn't matter.
You didn't just tape it over
No,
like that?
what? How do we do that? All right. We gotta take these pieces out. Stop playing with your graphics card. What a weirdo.
Where did the long one go?
Long boy. Push this piece down. All right. So now, orient it so this piece is there. So it's like that. Yeah.
Like, wait, does it go like this?
No, it goes in like that.
Okay.
And then I'm guessing it's these two slots.
It's like this, right?
Yep.
And then this goes in here?
Yeah, in there.
Wait, is this supposed to go through here?
And then match that with that, and then put pressure down.
Is it matched?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, okay. How far down does it go?
There we go.
Oh, until it clicks.
Hopefully it fits with all the cables.
I just needed to see you. I'd like to take you out.
Alright,
Oh,
we figured it out. We were stupid, and all we did is we just unplugged and replugged in the power and the video, and then it just magically worked. So
Wow.
So that's how cool computers are. All right, this is actually sick. This is a little
Windows stick.
Windows stick. Oh, it's like just that's all it is. Just USB. Yeah, my mouse always gets like sweat like on these pieces, and it like, and you can like peel it off.
Yeah, it's
yeah. Why does it
very
do that?
strange. I don't know why that happens.
Just tab to just select it. No, enter is to choose. Okay. Tools. Wait, does this? All right, we want 64-bit.
Yeah.
English. English. We do German keyboard. What is Vietnamese?
Vietnamese?
What is Wolof? What is that even? Yoruba. Alright, are you good with this? Next.
Wolof.
Yeah,
So I'm looking.
you want Wolof?
Wolof.
You want Wolof?
Wolof language?
What is Wolof?
Is a language of Senegal, the Gambia, and what? Native.
Is that African or is that Native American?
Yeah, it's African.
Do you want Wolof?
I want Wolof.
No, you don't. Okay, install now. Look at this. Isn't that rad? It just says install now. You want to click it?
Can they see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
You seeing this, cameraman?
Sure. We're back. You tried to steal our windows, didn't you?
That's weird. I don't want personalized ads.
But then what if
Then
they're
every-
good and then you want to buy it? Then it works.
I need my privacy. When another hacker yeets on my stuff.
Like, what was his name? I don't even remember.
Noah.
Yeah, Noah.
Diagnosed.
You love Noah.
I hate.
He was your best bud.
He was pretty rad until he wasn't.
This is sick.
I'm glad it worked.
I'm glad it works. I'm just like a little surprised after what we experienced. Oh, look, it's chrome. It's like this, except a lot better.
Yeah. Because it's not duct tape. Oh, okay, almost there. All right, after we get
There you go. We high five.
no, we gotta do one of the like.
Oh, that was good. That was a good one.
There-
Mike, stop that! Get that! Stop! Stop! Get that out of here. I hate it. I'm very confused. Well, you gotta use.
All right. What is the? Okay, download Chrome.
What are you gonna make your wallpaper?
A penis. Is this recording?
What time is it? 5:54. Is that right? That's probably right.
Yeah, it's 5:54.
Oh wait, yeah. Wait, it could be. You never know.
It's not 5.
It's 8:54. Why is
Not
it 3 hours
really.
off? I don't know military time with that's not Ricky Berwick, but it could be. If you want
It's
it to.
Weird Al.
It's Ricky Berwick.
Okay.
It's Ricky
Make
Berwick.
Chrome your own.
No. Wait, yes. I forgot. I got confused for a second. You bullied me. Skid.
That's kind of weird, but it's so out of focus it makes my head hurt. Do that.
You can probably like choose your own though too.
So,
I have
yeah,
a one
so-
of Todd Hido. Todd Hido. He's
Todd Howard?
No, he's like a photographer. It's pretty rad, and he like
Todd Howard?
no, and he takes pictures of houses. It's pretty epic.
Houses?
You should search him up or something. Yeah, that's it. What is that?
Alright,
Now you need to change your wallpaper. All right,
what
what?
to change it to?
Todd
Todd Howard.
Maybe. Todd Gurley? Who's Todd Gurley?
Todd Burley?
No, Gurley.
Alright.
No, what about that one?
This one?
That one seems kind of good.
Todd in Fallout.
What's that one?
Oh yes, God Howard. Where is the one that I
what
had
is
on?
that one? That's a dress. That one's scary.
Where's the one that I pulled up on Edge? Oh, it's a Pokemon card.
That
It
one's
just
rad.
works.
It just works. From like the Mafia game or whatever.
Oh yeah. Well yeah, no, this is the intro to Fallout 4.
Oh.
The salesman.
Oh,
and this
yeah.
is Dirty Harry.
But why does he have a gun?
In the I don't know. Is there one of it doing a wheelie? Yeah.
That one kind of. And that one.
Or that one.
That's with the $1 option, yeah. Whoa, look at this loser. He has the diffuser guard. That's a loser. That's what like Challenger owners have. They like think they're so cool with the factory like diffuser guard thing. See that like plastic thing?
What
People make
it
fun
is?
of that in the car community, yeah. Cause they think it looks cool. Does it look
What
cool?
do you mean with the
That little yellow piece, that like it like protects the diffuser or whatever when it's like doing the
no,
stuff.
Yeah, you gotta get it off. Take it off.
Because there was a YouTube video that I was watching and they put pool noodles there because they were making fun of it. It was very interesting.
Yeah. Ew.
Yeah, see? Yeah, I'm
Ew.
surprised.
Disgusting.
Alright, so that's sick. Rad.
And then I can set the Bugatti.
Alright,
as-
get Steam and stuff.
Alright, yeah.
Do you have to, I think you get on Google, right? Yeah. STEM.
Oh, oops. Oh dear. I haven't played with her in
I know we haven't played with the gamer girl.
6
But she's like 20 or something, or just like 25 or something.
I don't know how old she is. Oh, Phasmophobia, $14. Actually, wait, should we take this all up first?
Yeah.
Alright.
My hands are very shaky.
Click the continue, but I can't even.
Exactly. Because your character's first time in Night City means your first time in Night City. So we're gonna go with Nomad. Body type, let's be a male.
No, female.
Nope.
That's some good frame rate right there.
oh yeah, we're not going to tell you until.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then,
What are we doing, Sammy, right now?
That's
I'm
like a
looking through my
necklace.
knives. I don't like this knife, so I'm gonna scrap it.
Oh, that's sad.
I hate
Can you sell it for big bucks?
You're fucking.
Oh, did you just kill that person?
No.
Is that me? What's this? What's this shit?
Wait, is he still alive?